आम्ही फाटली फावटी अनाउंस केल्लें की आमी दिल्ली बेज अशा पद्दतीच्यो कोचिंग क्लासीस ज्यो आसा फॉर ऑल द कॉम्पिटिटीव एग्जाम्स म्हणजे रिगार्डिंग द UPSC एंड GPSC ऑल्सो आनी विथ द सेंट्रल बेज एग्जाम हेच्या खातीर आमी सेंटर सुरू करता. ऑलरेडी आमी आज ऑफिस इनॉग्रेशन जे आसा ह्या प्रिमायसिसान केल्लें आसा. ह्या ऑफिसाचो फायदो जो आसा सगळ्या गोंयच्या लोकांक म्हणजे नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटीव एग्जाम IASच्योच एग्जाम्स अश्यो न्ही तर आमी जशें म्हणटा की रेल्वे रिक्रुटमेंट एग्जाम पोस्टल एग्जाम ह्या सगळ्या खातीर गायडन्स आनी ताजे सगळ्यो जितक्यो फॉर्मेलिटीज लागता त्यो आमी ऑफिसाच्या मार्फत सगळ्या गोंयकारां खातीर करतले. इवन दो इन्क्लुडींग द बँकींग एग्जाम्स ताजे सगळ्यांचो फायदो जो आसा ह्या ऑफिसांच्यान सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी म्हणजे द ग्रॅज्युएट्स आनी ताज्या वयल्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी घेवचो. तांकां कंटिन्युअसली तांकां सगळो सपोर्ट जो आसा हे कोचिंग क्लासीस फॉर्म भरण्या पासून ते कोचिंग क्लासीस पर्यंत हो सगळो आमच्या ह्या इन्स्टिट्युशनाच्या मार्फत आमी दिवपाचो जो आसा प्रयत्न करतले. सो डिटेल्स जे आसा ते हांव तुमकां दिवपाक शकता.
This is Lakshman Singh Maluka from Maluka's IAS. I'm one of the directors of Maluka IAS. Maluka's IAS is based at different places. For example, we have 3 institutes, 2 were earlier, third we have opened up yesterday. 3 institutes in Delhi, 1 institute in Chandigarh, 1 institute in Patiala, and this would be the 6th branch of our institute that we would be opening. Just in about less than 3 years, this is the 6th place we are opening an institute. But this is possible only because of the good team that we are having. Not only the good team, but the hard work that we are having. I'll just tell you an example of the positive result that we have produced. In 2016, out of 26 students, 22 students they cleared prelims, and out of them 7 finally got selected. In 2017, out of 38 students that were there with us, 35 cleared the prelims and now 23 are giving interview to UPSC we conduct karwa rahe. We are the only institute in the country, I am saying we are the only institute in the country that provides guaranteed success. When I say guaranteed, I mean guaranteed. Reason being, if a student do not clear the prelims, his fee for the prelims would be refunded. So firstly, and for the mains, if 80% questions are not those questions which are already covered by dictation in the class, then also fee would be refunded. Not only this, we help the student, we guide the student, we provide mentoring to the student right from the stage he or she starts his preparation for either for UPSC, GPSC, banking, SSC, any exam which a student wants to prepare. We would be giving 100% guidance to the student starting from the filling of the form to the final selection. We would be there to help the student, to help him or her in filling of the form, in appearance in the exam. Practice questions would be there for the prelims and for the mains, and proper one-to-one guidance would be there for the interview session also. When I say one-to-one guidance, the proper recording of every student would be done for examination point of view while he or she has to appear for the interview. This is what we have planned. Some of the classes would be going online classes and some classes would be offline. Even for those classes which would be online, the regular visit of the faculty would be here. Every 15 to 20 days, a person whose classes would be running online, the same faculty would be visiting to Goa to clear the doubt, firstly. And secondly, even when the classes are going on and a student have any doubt, then there would be direct video conferences or audio calls that would be available to clear the doubt first. And another thing what is done for providing or for a social call, what we do is if any student is genuine poor, then his or her fee would be 100% free. His coaching would be totally free. Or any parent who has died, any child whose parent has died while contributing to the Indian Army, his or her fee will totally be free. Another thing is, if any student is coming from a backward community, then there would be, according to the economic status, we would be providing the scholarship to those students. Further details would be shared by the Saurabh Sharma sir.
Hi, good evening. This is Saurabh Sharma, one of the directors of Maluka's IAS. And first of all, I would like to congratulate every one of you that we have opened an institute what we promised right 1 month before, like on 29th of January 2018. This is the institute we are going to run out here, and for the very good cause that now the academic calendar and the competitive exam calendar is going to change. Because now more of the students will be clearing their 10th, 12th or their graduations, and some will be covering their post-graduation. So now they will be running here and there, they want to do what kind of a career they want to pursue. So now we have come up, as we promised last month, that we have opened this institute which will definitely guide you to get into the public service commissions like UPSC, GPSCs or any other government examinations like Indian Railways, Indian Army, NDAs, SSCs, banking and all those. So now here जैसे हमने आपको कहा था कि जितनी भी हमारी तरफ से जो हमें पता है आज तक वो हम आपको साथ यहाँ शेयर करेंगे. Since Goa is very much least represented in the state services or in the central government services, so we want to tap that potential and हम लोग जैसा सर ने बताया, मलुका सर ने बताया कि हम लोगों में से 15-20 डेज़ के अंतराल पे हर एक फैकल्टी जिसका कोर्स चल रहा होगा वो यहाँ पे आएगा, उसके डाउट क्लियर करेगा और जब तक हमारे बच्चों के डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं हो जाते हम आगे नहीं बढ़ते. सो वी डू नॉट बिलीव इन रनिंग आफ्टर दी कोर्सेज टू फिनिश अप, बट वी वांट यू टू सक्सीड बिफोर अस. सो congratulations to the Goan student and all the nearby area students very much, and we are really looking forward to see you here in this institute. Thank you so much.
क्या रहेगी admission
So,
Fee for IAS examination would be 50,000 right now, 50,000 plus GST that would be there. For banking, SSC and other examination fee would be varying from 10,000 to 15,000.
It will decide it.
But as per the courses, different courses would be there, the fee would be as per the courses. For UPSC it is 50,000, for banking and other examination it will vary from 10,000 to 15,000.